This video is going to show how to use design review and markup in the schematic to embed comments and feedback for design reviews in OrCAD X Capture. Often in design reviews, feedback is shared within a design group by manually adding text to a schematic or emailing screenshots and notes to other designers. However, this doesn't guarantee that the issue is fixed or even understood. New in OrCAD X Capture 25.1 is the ability to add comments directly to the schematic canvas to efficiently review designs with design review and markup. Start by opening a design in OrCAD X Capture. To open the Comments panel, select Tools, Markup from the menu. In the Comments panel, you can view and resolve all comments in the design. Select New Comment to create a new comment. Zoom into the desired section of the schematic. Let's create a rectangle marker first. Select the Draw Rectangle icon. Click to begin drawing the rectangle. Move the mouse to draw the rectangle over the area of interest on the schematic and click to finish the rectangle. Enter the desired comment into the comment bar. When finished, click Submit. The comment is embedded into the design database and is now accessible for any users to review. Now let's create an arrow marker. Zoom into another section of the design. In the Comments panel, select New Comment. Hover your mouse over the Draw Rectangle button and click to select the arrow tool. Click to start drawing the arrow at its point and click again to draw the tail. Enter the desired comment into the comment bar. Click Submit to submit the comment when finished. The design has been marked up and the feedback is ready to review. Once you receive a design with embedded comments, feedback can be reviewed in OrCAD X Capture itself or from the web viewer. For this example, we will review the comments in OrCAD X Capture. Select Tools, Markup from the menu to open the Comments panel. View the comments. Click a comment to be brought to its location in the schematic canvas. Click the PCB icon to bring up a snapshot of the schematic when the comment was recorded. To respond to a comment, click in the Mention or Comment box and type a response. Click Submit. To resolve a comment, click the ellipsis at the top of the comment and select Resolve. Repeat this process as needed to efficiently communicate with team members and perform design reviews. Comment visibility can be controlled from the Comments panel as well. Click the comment icon to turn off visibility of the comments. Quickly and effectively review schematic designs and communicate feedback with design review and markup in OrCAD X Capture 25.1. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.